A year ago today, a friend of mine died. It was a Rain Man, right? And his name was Joe Cush.
It's not real.
He got killed, and there was some pieces that he made that he never finished. Right here. And he made one for his daughter. He was a dude that was making good money and got killed for nothing. And I want to kind of commemorate him. He died on the Ides of March, like Caesar. There's no yo. It's security. What does that mean, bro? Come on, bro. I'm for the people, bro.
You already know.
Yeah.
Tracks New York.
It's for the people, bro. It's for the people, bro. It ain't just for you. All right, here.
I serve New York.
You guys got to catch it from here, bro. That's it. What can I do? All right. So it's in his honor. It's not something I want to do.
Throw it up again.
It's.
The people go crazy. They go just doing the work.
This guy. It's for him, and for if his family's watching, I'd like them to DM me or whatever it is. I'd like to get him the pieces.